What are income tax slabs? How much tax am I paying to the government? How do I save tax? If these are your questions, then pay attention for the next few minutes to get to this. The government collects income tax to fund its various expenses. So, effectively, the portion of your salary that goes as tax is used for funding construction of roads, public health missions, government subsidies, as well as national defense. But how much do you pay? The amount of tax depends on the income slab that you belong to, and therefore on how much you earn. If you earn 2.5 lakh rupees, you pay no tax. If you're earning between 2.5 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees, you're paying 5% on the amount that exceeds 2.5 lakh. Any income above 5 lakh and less than 10 lakh rupees attracts 20% tax. In this case, you pay 12,500 rupees plus 20% of the amount that exceeds 5 lakh rupees. All income above 10 lakh is taxed at 30%. So in this scenario, if your taxable income is 11 lakh rupees, your tax is nil for the first slab, 12,500 for the second, 1 lakh for the third, and 30,000 rupees for the last slab. That amounts to 1.42 lakh rupees. But you can dramatically reduce the tax that you pay by availing of various deductions that are provided in the Income Tax Act. These are essentially the investments that you make over the course of the year. A large chunk of this, that is 1.5 lakh rupees, is available under the popular Section 80C. As a salaried employee, the first thing you must do is check your contribution to the Provident Fund. You can then choose from a variety of options, including equity-linked savings schemes, life insurance premiums, fixed deposits, and the National Pension Scheme to make up the rest of the 1.5 lakh rupees. The government allows for a further deduction of 50,000 rupees over and above Section 80C for contributions to the National Pension Scheme. Under Section 80D, you can take a health insurance cover for yourself and a premium of up to 25,000 rupees is deductible from your annual taxable income. Also, if you have senior citizens at home, you can buy health insurance policies for them and avail of a further deduction of up to 50,000 rupees for the premium paid. If you yourself are a senior citizen, the deduction available to you under this section is 50,000 rupees. Education loans are sometimes a drag, but Section 80E of the Income Tax Act lets you deduct the entire interest paid during the year from your taxable income for your own higher education or that of your spouse or children. This benefit is available for 8 years starting from the year that you begin repaying the loan or till interest is fully paid. Another very useful section allows you to deduct as much as 2 lakh rupees worth of interest payments towards a home loan from your taxable income. And there are still more deductions available. A study of the various sections of the Income Tax Act or a visit to your financial planner would help you plan your investments as effectively as possible.